Welcome. In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can add and also remove a Google account from your device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll down to accounts, right over here. Tap on add account. Now this is for strictly adding account. I will show you in a second how to remove one. So once you have selected the add account, you can now choose what kind of account. So I'm gonna stick with Google right here. Give it a second. So in here, you can now log in with your Google account. So provide your email or phone number. And from here, you can now put in your password. So obviously I'm going to do that off the screen. And there we go. So I tapped on next once I put in the password. And as you can see, welcome, the email address. So we can just select agree, that we agree to the terms of service. And this will add our account to the phone. And there is our account added. Now when you want to remove your Google account from your phone, same thing, go to accounts. And this time around you just select the account that is visible right here and select remove account. Remove account. Are you sure? Yes. Enter your PIN. So this is the PIN for the phone. There we go. And here we go. As you can see, it's now completely gone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.